Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table with just Bana. Yeah, I'm just Bana. Today I'm going to attempt another cloud pour. This time I'm going to try for pearls like I saw Elyse Fournier do it. I will leave her link below in the description. So, shall we give this a go and get pouring? And there you have it. I didn't get any pearls. I did get some beautiful cells. And, well, I will be trying it again. I think what happened is she does use latex house paint. I do not have any. All I have are my regular acrylics and some of the satin enamel. And so, yeah, I'm stubborn that way. I'm going to keep trying. I want those pearls too. But I did end up with one beautiful, beautiful picture. To me, it looks like chunks of ice flowing down a river. Maybe it's spring and the ice is either breaking apart or it's winter and it's starting to do an ice dam. I don't care. What do you see? Other than a really beautiful mess. I really want to thank you all for stopping by and spending a few minutes with me today, and I hope you were able to get at least a tiny bit of inspiration. And if you liked what you saw, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I make more of these beautiful messes. I want to thank you all for coming. Have a wonderful day. And I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.